So to delete temp files, all you have to do is open run and type in %temp %. Then click on OK. And you should see all of these files. So select all and delete all of them. Some of them might not be deleted, so just click on skip because these files are being used by an application in the background. So close it. Now open run again and type in temp without percentages. Now select all of them again and delete them just like I do here. Now skip because these files are being used by an application in the background. So the third way is to open start and type in disk cleanup and click on it, and then choose the disk, click on OK. Then I'm going to select what to clean up. So I'm going to check recycle, and it's telling me how much I'm gonna gain right here. It's like 4 gigabytes. Click on clean, then click on OK, and it will calculate it, and the calculation takes some time. Then click on OK, and it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to delete? So click on delete all, and it will clean up the disk space. And right here, when it's over, it's going to disappear by itself, so you don't have to collect anything. So just wait for it to finish. Alright everyone, so this is basically it, and this is how you gain more space on Windows 10. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.